Yo, it's your boy Sach. We're gonna play the rowing Minecraft game. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but. Let's try it again. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Why the hell can't I do this game? Come on, let's go. Row, row, row your boat. That glitched. Why did that glitch? How is it glitching? Internet, what are you doing to me? No! Oh, yo, alright, man. Listen. This game's actually pretty solid. It's actually solid. It's this part here. Oh, we're through. What is going on? How? Oh, come on, man. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily. Damn, man. Please don't do this to me. Focus, boy. Yes. Oh, get past it. We just got... That was luck. Luck. Come on. I turned it. Bro. Focus. Focus. Don't worry about anything else. Focus. That's it. Turn this boat. Turn this boat. God damn. It's actually pretty tough, man. Focus. Here. This is it. This is it. Oh! What? Why is there more? Come on. Turn the damn boat. Oh, we done it. Yes! Let's go!